Have your Honda headlights gone from crystal clear to cloudy yellow? Well, don't worry. Today, we're gonna show you how to polish these back to life, and it's easier than you think. With just a few basic hand tools, we can actually restore these back to their original shine. Not only will your element look 10 years newer, but you'll actually be able to see better at night. So let's get into it. As you can see, these headlights have certainly seen better days. What you see here, this yellowing, is actually the breakdown of the clear coat caused by UV damage. But the good news is we can fix it with just a few basic hand tools. So to do this job, you're gonna need some masking tape, some sandpaper, or a sanding kit with sanding grit that goes all the way from 800 up to 3000. You're also gonna need a microfiber cloth, some polishing compound, and a little bit of UV clear coat protectant. You can piece together all of this stuff, or if you have it already, great. But if not, you can pick yourself up one of these kits. This is a 3M kit. This headlight restoration kit was about 30 bucks on Amazon, link down below, but it comes with everything you're gonna need. It comes with a little disc to be able to actually put it into the drill motor, as well as it comes with all of the different sizes of sandpaper. You got 600 grit, 800 grit, they're all there. Comes with some clear coat as well as some tape. Yeah, my dog ate this one, so gonna go ahead and use the blue tape back there because it doesn't have teeth marks in it. Now, the reason that we're doing this headlight restoration today is in preparation for some new headlight bulbs. These are some Novsight LED bulbs that were sent to us. They actually wanted us to try them out on a few of our project vehicles, this and our Toyota Sequoia. So we're gonna give you an unbiased review. If they work great, we'll let you know. If they don't, we'll let you know. So like, subscribe, do all this stuff so that you can stay up to date for when our headlight comparison video comes out real soon. All right, step one, let's get this thing taped off so that we can start sanding. Step two is gonna be some wet sanding. So we're actually gonna start with a 500 grit, that's what came in the pack. And we're gonna just spray a little water. You can see how muddy and yellow and gooky this is. That's that crap coming off of there. So just go nice and light and keep going until you're done with the 500 grit. So now I'm getting all this off of there so that I have a nice starting surface. So I was actually wrong about this kit. It goes from 500 to 800, straight up to 3000. So unfortunately, there's not much more that we can do. We're just gonna use this on here. We're also, instead of using a wet sanding, now's the time to start throwing some rubbing compound or polishing compound on there. If you're doing a cut and polish on your car, I recommend Meguiar's. Doesn't take much polishing compound. Start small and work your way up. All right, let that dry up 15 minutes. Come back, do another coat. I'm gonna keep this in a Ziploc bag so that it doesn't dry up. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's like, almost looks like water spots. It's not a very flat, clear coat. So I think I'm gonna put some more on there and see if I can buff it off before it dries. All right, so we just wiped it down with this again. It says to use these flat edges, but this thing's already kind of drying up. All right, there you go. And that is how you restore your Honda headlights at home. If this video was helpful for you, be sure to like, subscribe, do all the things down below, maybe even leave a comment. Tell me if you've ever polished your headlights yourself and what the results were. Did you use a clear coat or did you just polish? Thanks for watching Car Tech TV, and be on the lookout for our headlight comparison coming up shortly. Thanks for checking out the channel. We'll see you in the next one.